Hey, Scott Leonard. This is SDI's UAS 231 Module 4 assignment, where we will be completing a flight test card. Today's date is October 1st, 2025. Let's get started. Okay, here's the codrone flight test. Distance set to 30 centimeters. Okay, success. I'm going to set it for 60 centimeters now. And try that again. Success. Next, we're going to try the 90 centimeter distance. The sensor on the drone is reading, at this point, it's reading 24 centimeters away from an obstacle. Obviously it's not. So we will call that a fail on the 90 centimeter distance. Okay, that concludes today's test. Thanks for watching.